What if you could rewire that entire system starting today? Think about this scenario. Imagine waking up with no memory of your past. Then you're informed you were once an elite special forces soldier. Now, how would you carry yourself, your posture, your voice, your entire presence? E.T. Info N2 would transform completely. Compared to being told you, compared to being taught piano. This reveals the incredible power waiting to be unlocked. Lasting success, maybe no, isn't about skills alone. It's about the core identity you choose to embody. When you deeply know you're exceptional in your field, everything shifts. Your belief shapes your reality before reality shapes you. Your vocal tone becomes more authentic, your gestures more purposeful. You connect on a human level without forcing it. Your neurological pathways function like guidance systems. With precise programming, you laser focus on your objectives. Uncertainty about your capabilities ensures your ambitions remain fantasies. Every person faces internal battles and even moments of doubt. Even those you admire most. The critical difference lies in their immediate response. True champions possess a distinct mental framework. They perceive challenges through a different lens and engage with their craft at another level entirely. So, I want you to honestly examine something crucial. What mental narrative plays when your intensity drops? Because mastering this single principle unlocks every achievement you desire. The next instance, you're operating at half capacity, giving 40%, 60%, maybe just 20%. I need you to analyze the thoughts occupying your mind. Low energy typically means you're focused on burdens, not possibilities. People often ask how to maintain that relentless drive through obstacles and criticism. How does anyone persevere? Maybe you're persevere when facing opposition or setbacks. The answer lives in your perspective shift. I awaken each morning recognizing the gift of another day. I see each task as a privilege, not a requirement. Nothing feels forced or imposed. If you desire unprecedented results, achievements, or personal growth, you must first upgrade your mindset. Watch how your motivation soars. Maybe when you genuinely view life. Maybe you Sao đến anh lại là một bó sol delta as we has the ultimate opportunity. See obligation and you stall. See opportunity and you soar. Remember this profound truth. Your current identity was constructed thought by thought, which means it can be reconstructed the same way. The knowledge of how your mind works gives you the power to change your life. Start today by choosing one area where you'll switch from seeing obligations to recognizing opportunities. That single shift contains more motivational power than you can possibly imagine.